Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you if it is possible to create Amazon account without a phone number. So first of all, if you downloaded the Amazon app, just go ahead right here and search for it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double check if the Amazon app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and follow along the next step. And if it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now you want to find out that if you can create Amazon account without a phone number, go back to your screen and just go ahead to your browser. And as you can see right here, we ask Google, can I create an Amazon account without a phone number? Yes, you can create an Amazon account without a phone number. You can skip the phone verification process by doing email verification. So either the steps, you will need to verify your own account that you own it, right? Either it was through your phone verification or to your email verification. So after you've done it, you will be able to verify that you own this account. And holding your account or providing your mobile phone number is optional. When you provide your mobile phone number, you can use it to sign up for different types of mobile communications from Amazon, such as delivery status updates through text messages. All right, so it is optional, but in the future you will need to start to think about adding your phone number as well. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.